Guys, welcome back to the channel. So I was back testing some strategies, and uh, as I'm telling you that I took three trades in that strategy. I hit TP three times, but because of fear and because of building the discipline, I didn't risk that much. But when fourth time I tried to use the same strategy with a higher risk, all of my profit got wiped out. So but the strategy really worked, and I traded against the bias. Fourth time when I traded, it was against the bias. So let's check the strategy. What was that? And it's a really this this was really a classical trade, like liquidity. Market goes up, buy side liquidity is have been taken out. Market goes down, liquidity have been taken out, and then upside move. But this was not the real strategy. I'm gonna show you what was I was back testing. Let's go. I've been back tested it more than 5 times in a row. Okay, so this is the first. Okay, so this is the new day. Uh, Maybe 7th May. Okay, so this is Sydney session starting of the day, and this is Asian. This is Asian high, this is Asian low. So we marked it, and we marked the closer of the Asian session, and Asian closed here at 10 in the morning, and London started at 11 in the morning. So this was the Asian short term low. This was a lowest intermediate term low. Okay. So when the London session, I mean the overlap of London and Asian took place, and when London opened, it took the liquidity of the Asian short term low. And if we buy from here to the high of the Asian, or the Asian London overlap, we will take a higher risk. Let me show you some. If we bought from here, SL should be here. You can take risk more if you want, and the TP should be high. Wait, we are making around $600, and if we take less risk, we will make less. And again, we'll back tested the strategy, same strategy here. So this is the start of the day, uh, 5th May, and Sydney started, new day started, Asian started here. I marked it. This is the start of the Asian. High of the Asian is this, low of the Asian is this and this. And the high of the Asian has been taken out. But this was a trend line liquidity. It it came out to be a different way. Uh, it didn't start for us, but still, if we have cashed the thing, we would did it. Okay, so it was a trend line liquidity, and this was a buy side liquidity of the Asian session. So when we enter, even if a 1:1 of the trade risk limit, 1:1, in this we have taken out, we have risk. This and our TP should be this. Less than 1:2. We still make $500. So let's go to the previous day. Okay, so I'm showing you not in a other chart or other date chart. I'm showing you one by one, previous days, previous day to previous days. Okay, so this is the opening of the day, 2nd May. Sydney session. This is Asian session. This is low of the Asian, high of the Asian. This is Asian London overlap. Asian close here. London started here. The high of the London have been taken out, and we will sell from here. So if we have sell from here, we'll sell from the area we marked. SL should be above it, and OTB should be this. We can be the lowest part, and the liquidity of the Asian low also been taken out. So this was a really great trade if we have entered in this. Let me around, if we have and around $800, and we have taken full TP around $1,000. And then 30 April, start of the day, Sydney session, Asian close here, London started here, high of the Asian, low of the Asian, and then we will plan for a buy, because market always goes higher after taking the low of the Asian. In some cases, it goes down according to the price, but gold always trying to get it on its highest level. So we will look for a rejection or something, and if we bought from here, buy from here, so our SL should be like down this. We will risk around $300 or something if you can risk. TP should be high. We are still making 900 plus dollars. This is an insane strategy. Okay, so this is another day, previous day, 4th April, starting of the day, Asian high, Asian lows, Asian closed here, London started here, London Asian overlap. This is the London Asian overlap high. Okay, this is the low. So we will look for a buy trade. So there was an mitigation block, or you can call it a breaker block. Okay, we will have taken our trade in this. Look for a buy trade. We will buy from here. SL should be a little okay high. We still make around $1,000 plus dollars and take more risk. Okay, so this is a 4th April, starting of the day. Asian session started at 3 in the morning, midnight. Low of the Asian session, high of the Asian session, and we will look for a buy. And in London, we will look for a buy. Even if it did not touch the highest, but still we can book our partial profit. So after the sweep of the liquidity, we will buy. SL should be a little more. We are still making around $600 in this trade. Let's go. We have taken more trades. This is another day. Okay, 28th April. This is Sydney session. This Asian started from here. High of the Asian. Okay, rain has been started. It's raining. Okay, so where we was. This is the start of the day. 4th April, Sydney session. Then Tokyo Asian started. This is the high of the Asian. This is the low of the Asian. We marked it, okay. And when Asian closes and London opened, the overlap between Asian and London, we mark the low of the overlaps also, and the Asian low also. So when its liquidity has been taken out, we'll look for a buy trade. We are buying again. Wait. SL, SL should be low and high of the session around $1,000 again. We'll go more. Okay, so I'm showing you every previous day, not just one candle today and previous 7 days, where I'm showing you one by one. This okay, so this is the 4th April candle. Oh, it's 24th, 25th April candle, 24th day of April. This is an Asian Sydney session. This is an Asian. Asian started here, high of the Asian. This is also a short-term high of the Asian. This is a low. This is also a low. Okay, so low. We mark the low, and when price gone above the low, we will buy from here to the high of the Asian session. So we will buy from here as a $1,000 again. One more day. Okay, so all of the backtesting that are backtested I showed you. So, and if you look, zoom out, can you look the amount of profit we can make from this strategy? This is an insane strategy, believe me. And don't think that I will take too much risk in this. It can go against you. Who knows where the market is going? We just backtesting the strategy, and even if we take the trade in live or funded account, we will not take too much risk. You can take risk of $200, $100, and you will still make from that amount of risk around $200, $300, $500. But don't risk too much, because liquidity market loves liquidity and donation from people like us. So this was a really insane strategy. I backtested and I showed you, and you should also backtest more like I am doing. You should backtest more. Okay? So goodbye, we will meet in our next video, and subscribe if you liked it. Bye.